Germany, a country known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and most notably its engineering prowess. When we think of Germany, we often think of precision, innovation, and a relentless drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. We think of great engineering, amazing craftsmanship, and a tradition of excellence that spans generations. German engineers have always been at the forefront of technological advancements, creating machines that are not only functional but also works of art, and always pushing to create new things. From the early days of the Industrial Revolution to the modern era, Germany has been a leader in innovation. The country's engineers and scientists have consistently pushed the envelope, developing new technologies and improving existing ones. For a long time, German smarts have shaped industries, from the iconic automobiles that have become a symbol of German engineering to the advanced machinery that powers industries around the world, from cars to airplanes. The legacy of German engineering is evident in the quality and performance of its products. German cars are renowned for their reliability, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, while German airplanes have set new standards in aviation. Now, something big is happening: artificial intelligence. As the world moves towards a future dominated by smart technologies, Germany is once again at the forefront, leading the charge in the development and implementation of AI. Germany is ready to lead the way again, this time with smart robots. The country's expertise in engineering and technology is now being applied to the field of artificial intelligence, creating machines that can think, learn, and adapt, this time with smart robots. These robots are not just tools, they are intelligent systems capable of performing complex tasks and interacting with humans in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. German engineering and cars go hand in hand. Names like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen are famous for quality and cool new ideas. These brands have become synonymous with innovation, luxury, and performance, setting the standard for the automotive industry worldwide. And Volkswagen are famous for quality and cool new ideas. These companies have a long history of pushing the boundaries of what's possible, constantly innovating and improving their products to meet the demands of a changing world. These car companies, always focused on precision, efficiency, and high-tech, have laid the groundwork for Germany's success in the field of robotics. The same principles that have made German cars the best in the world are now being applied to the development of intelligent machines. Set the stage for Germany to be great at robotics. The transition from mechanical engineering to robotics is a natural progression for a country that has always been at the cutting edge of technology. Going from mechanical things to smart machines makes sense for Germany. The skills and knowledge that have been honed over decades of building some of the world's best cars are now being used to create robots that can think and learn. The skills that built some of the world's coolest cars are now being used to build super smart robots. These robots are not just machines. They are intelligent systems capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. These robots can learn, adapt, and even talk to people in amazing new ways. They're designed to work alongside humans, enhancing our capabilities and making our lives easier, and even talk to people in amazing new ways. The potential applications of these intelligent machines are vast, from manufacturing and healthcare to education and entertainment. The world is watching as Germany, the home of the car, gets ready to lead the way in smart machines. The country's commitment to innovation and excellence is once again setting the standard for the rest of the world to follow. The journey from car engines to artificial intelligence shows Germany's love for innovation and making the future better. This transition is a testament to the country's ability to adapt and evolve, always staying one step ahead of the curve and making the future better. As we look to the future, it's clear that Germany will continue to play a leading role in shaping the technologies that will define our world. Germany is becoming a leader in smart robots, thanks to some awesome new companies. These companies, with their great engineering and big ideas, are building amazing technology that's changing industries and making everyone excited. QK, a world leader in industrial robots, is at the front of this change. Their advanced robot arms, known for being precise and reliable, are already used in factories all over the world. These aren't just regular robots, they're smart helpers that can learn hard tasks and adapt to new situations. Another important company, Festo, is making nature-inspired robots. They copy the movements and abilities of animals like a bird flying or a gecko climbing. These biorobots could change fields like prosthetics and search and rescue, offering solutions that work with nature. These companies, along with many startups and research groups, are creating a fast-growing and exciting AI world in Germany. Their inventions aren't just stuck in labs, they're being used in the real world, making things better in many industries. We've always been fascinated by the idea of artificial intelligence. From the earliest days of human history, the concept of creating lifelike machines has captured our imagination. Whether it's the ancient myths of automatons or the more modern tales of robots, the dream of building intelligent beings has been a constant theme. It's in tons of sci-fi stories. From the pages of classic literature to the silver screen, AI has been portrayed in countless ways. Think of iconic films like Blade Runner or The Matrix, where AI plays a central role in exploring the boundaries of human and machine. These stories make us think about what it means to be conscious. They challenge our understanding of self-awareness and the nature of intelligence. Philosophers and scientists alike have long debated the potential and the pitfalls of creating machines that can think and feel. Now, in labs across Germany, this dream of making smart machines is getting closer to reality with human-like robots. Researchers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, developing robots that not only look human but also exhibit behaviors and capabilities that were once thought to be purely the domain of living beings. These robots, designed to look and act like humans, are a big step forward in AI. They can walk, talk, and even express emotions to some extent. This level of sophistication is a testament to the incredible advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence. They aren't just programmed to do one thing. They're designed to learn, adapt, and interact with the world around them, just like people do. This adaptability is crucial for their integration into various aspects of human life, from assisting in medical procedures to performing complex industrial tasks. One cool example is Armar 6, a humanoid robot made at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. This robot represents the cutting edge of AI and robotics, showcasing what is possible when human ingenuity meets advanced technology. This advanced robot can recognize and grab things, move around in complicated places, and even have simple conversations. Its ability to navigate and interact with its environment makes it a versatile tool for a variety of applications. Its creators see a future where robots like Armar 6 work with us, helping with everything from chores to complex factory jobs. Imagine a world where robots assist in daily tasks, making our lives easier and more efficient. Humanoid robots make us ask big questions about the future of work, what's right and wrong with AI, and even what it means to be human. The ethical implications of creating intelligent machines are vast and complex, touching on issues of autonomy, privacy, and the potential for unintended consequences. As these machines get smarter, they blur the lines between humans and machines, making science fiction seem more and more real. The future of AI and robotics holds endless possibilities, and as we continue to innovate, we must also consider the profound impact these technologies will have on our society and our understanding of what it means to be alive. Germany, known for its strong industries and precise engineering, is perfect for making and using autonomous systems. The country has a long history of innovation and excellence in engineering, which makes it an ideal place for the development and implementation of cutting-edge autonomous technologies. From the bustling factories in Munich to the high-tech research labs in Berlin, Germany is at the forefront of this technological revolution. These AI-powered systems are about to change everything from manufacturing and shipping to farming and healthcare. In manufacturing, robots equipped with artificial intelligence can work alongside human workers, increasing efficiency and reducing the risk of errors. Autonomous delivery drones are set to revolutionize the logistics industry by providing faster and more reliable delivery services. In healthcare, robots can assist doctors and nurses, perform surgeries with high precision, and even provide companionship to patients. In the car industry, Germany is leading the way in self-driving technology with companies like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz. These automotive giants are investing heavily in research and development to create vehicles that can navigate roads safely and efficiently without human intervention. The goal is to make driving safer, reduce traffic congestion, and lower emissions by optimizing driving patterns and reducing the need for human drivers. These car companies are putting lots of money into self-driving tech, building cars with advanced sensors, powerful AI, and smart control systems that let them drive on roads without a person behind the wheel. Engineers are constantly testing and refining these systems to ensure they can handle a wide range of driving conditions, from busy city streets to quiet country roads. The technology includes everything from radar and LiDAR sensors to machine learning algorithms that can predict and respond to the behavior of other road users. Self-driving systems can do much more than just cars. They have the potential to transform a wide range of industries by automating tasks that were previously done by humans. In warehouses, autonomous robots can move goods around more efficiently than human workers. In the energy sector, self-driving systems can be used to monitor and maintain infrastructure, reducing the risk of accidents and improving efficiency. In shipping, self-driving trucks and delivery drones can make deliveries faster and cheaper. These autonomous vehicles can operate around the clock without the need for brakes and can optimize their routes to reduce fuel consumption and delivery times. This not only improves efficiency but also reduces the environmental impact of shipping. Companies are already testing these technologies on highways and in urban areas, and it won't be long before they become a common sight on our roads. In farming, self-driving tractors and harvesting robots can check the soil, plant seeds, add fertilizer and harvest crops with amazing precision, making farming more efficient and better for the environment. These autonomous systems can work tirelessly day and night, ensuring that crops are planted and harvested at the optimal times. They can also monitor soil conditions and apply fertilizers and pesticides in a targeted manner, reducing waste and minimizing the environmental impact of farming. Self-driving systems are changing industry, creating new opportunities and also some challenges. While these technologies can greatly improve efficiency and productivity, they also raise important questions about the future of work. As machines take over tasks that were previously done by humans, there is a risk of job displacement. However, there are also opportunities for new types of jobs in areas such as robot maintenance, programming, and AI development. As these systems become more common, we'll need to think about job losses, safety rules, and ethical questions to make sure this new era of smart automation goes smoothly. It's important to have discussions about how to manage the transition to a more automated world, ensuring that workers are retrained and that new job opportunities are created. Additionally, we need to consider the ethical implications of AI and autonomous systems, such as privacy concerns and the potential for bias in decision-making algorithms. By addressing these issues proactively, we can harness the benefits of autonomous systems while minimizing the risks.